Hi everyone, my name is Sotelo Princess, BS Ed Major in English Block 1A. Today I will share you what learned from the talk 10 ways to have a better conversation. The two rules that really stuck me that most are listen more than you talk and be gently interested in other people. The speaker explained um, that listen is more than just staying quiet while while someone talks. It means paying full attention, avoiding distraction, and not preparing your next reply while the other person is still speaking. When we truly listen, we understand and better and make the other person feel uh, valued. The second the second rule, being a genuinely interested, is about showing curiosity and care in the conversation instead of just talking about ourselves. um Talking about ourselves or trying to sound smart. We ask question, respond with within the person ideas, may and this make conversation more meaningful and engaging. um I can connect this rule to the communication principle we studies in class. For example, active listening is the key principle because it helps us to avoid misunderstanding and build trust. Empathy also play a big role since it allows allows to us to connect with people's feelings and perspective. And from communication ethics perspective, giving respect and attention to show to attention to others and show fairness and consideration, which are important guidelines for effective communication. Overall, what I learned is a good conversation are not about not about talking a lot, but about making that other person feel heard and respect by listening more and showing genuine interest, and we create a better connection and stronger relationship. Um, this is the last, and thank you for thank you for what thank you for listening to my video, and thank you so much.